Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add text to your photos on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to App Store, just open App Store, just find in the App Store, just write, go to Search tab and just write in Search tab text. And just tap on search. So now you can see this app I downloaded previous time. So just tap on get button, just download and install it on your phone, and after you will be able for opening it, just tap on open. Now you just need to tap on photos, just choose photo you want to edit, so for example this one, and now you just need to tap on add button. So here you will see text, so just choose style of text you want to add. So also you can change it, rotate or just make larger or smaller, and also edit color of your text. So just tap on this second option, and now you can see that here you can choose different styles and also change position of this text on your photo. So after, just tap on accept button and just tap on accept, and now you can also just save this photo. So just tap on download button and it will save it to your gallery. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.